A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn a short story, A Horse and Two Goats by R.K. Narayan. Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami, commonly known as R.K. Narayan, was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulkraj Anand and Raja Rao. Narayan's mentor and friend Graham Greene was instrumental in getting publishers for Narayan's first four books, including the semi autobiographical trilogy of Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, and The English Teacher. The fictional town of Malgudi was first introduced in Swami and Friends. The story, A Horse and Two Goats, focuses on a villager named Muni, who once owned a herd of 40 sheep and goats. However, he has only two goats now. Muni takes his breakfast and then shakes down his drumsticks from the tree in front of his residence. Then he expresses his wish for a drumstick sauce. However, his wife asks him to bring groceries for the house. Muni makes efforts to arrange for the groceries from the village shop on credit, but he fails. Furthermore, he gets humiliation from his wife for his failure. Then he takes his goats and moves to a place in the outskirts of the village beside the highway for grazing his goats. Then Muni sits under the horse statue made of clay to protect himself from the sun. He watches the trucks. Furthermore, he sees a yellow station wagon coming towards him. A red-faced American gets out of the wagon and inquires about the nearest gas station. Muni thought him to be a policeman or a soldier who had come to inquire about the crime that took place in the nearby village. This misconception took place due to his khaki dress. Both of them tell each other their story. Muni tells how his cattle were taken off by the cheetahs and jackals. Also, he tells that he has never gone to school as only Brahmins were provided education those days. Furthermore, he tells him about the temple priest who could see the face of the thief in the camphor. The American also tells Muni about his being a businessman dealing in coffee. He was forced to work 4 hours when there was no electricity. The incident aroused curiosity in him to look at other civilizations, and thus he visited India, leaving his wife in Srinagar. The statue of the horse fascinated the American. He thought Muni to be the owner of the horse. He offers him 100 rupees for buying it. Due to miscommunication, Muni took the dealing for his goats. He always dreamt of selling his goats and start a shop with the money. So he was very happy. Moreover, the American was happy to buy the horse. Muni tells his wife about the dealing. She could not believe his words and accused him of theft. Her suspicion gets stronger when the two goats returned home just after that. The story depicts the cultural differences between the East and the West. Also, It throws light on poverty and wealth, a theme of knowledge and wisdom. Furthermore, it portrays the rural life in India, social classes prevailing of the caste system, prejudices, and superstitious beliefs.